there! Welcome to the Natural English Hub, where learning English comes naturally.
Hello, my friend. Welcome back. It's nice to see you again.
Hi everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we will talk about something very useful, something you can use every day.
Yes, today's topic is At the Supermarket, English in Daily Life.
We will help you learn simple English for shopping at a supermarket.
Very simple, very clear, and very useful.
Before we start, if you like learning English with us,
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
okay, let's begin. So, Speaker B, do you go to the supermarket often?
Yes, I do. I go to the supermarket almost every week.
Oh, every week. That's good. What do you usually buy?
I usually buy fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, and sometimes snacks.
Ah, yes, snacks. Very important.
Yes, snacks are important for studying English, right?
Of course, snacks help the brain. Okay, let's start with a simple question.
Yes, imagine you walk into a supermarket.
What do you say if you need help?
Good question.
You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?"
Let's say it slowly together.
Excuse me.
Where can I find the milk?
Good. Again.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Excuse me is very important.
Yes, always say excuse me to be polite.
Polite means kind and respectful,
Yes, people like polite customers.
not angry customers.
Yes, no angry faces in the supermarket.
Okay, now imagine you are looking for apples.
You don't see apples anywhere.
You can ask, "Excuse me, where are the apples?"
Very simple.
Excuse me, where are the apples?
Repeat with us.
Excuse me.
Where are the apples?
Now the worker might answer.
They're in aisle 3.
Aisle means the long row in the supermarket.
Yes, aisle. A-I-S-L-E. Aisle.
Say it slowly. Aisle.
Aisle.
Good.
Okay, now let's talk about picking items.
Yes, you see apples. They look good.
You can say, I want to buy some apples.
Or, I will take these apples.
I will take these apples.
Repeat slowly.
I will take these apples.
Now, what if you don't like the apples?
Maybe they are too small.
Or not fresh?
You can say, I don't want these.
Simple and clear.
I don't want these.
Again.
I don't want these.
Okay, now let's move to another situation.
Yes, you are looking for milk.
There are many types of milk.
Oh yes, so many choices.
You can ask, which milk is better?
Or, which one do you recommend?
Recommend means suggest.
Yes, suggest.
Say it slowly. Recommend.
Recommend.
Good.
Now, let's practice a short conversation.
Okay, I'll be the customer.
And I will be the store worker.
Excuse me, where is the bread?
The bread is in aisle 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very simple.
Yes, very easy.
Now you try. Repeat after us.
Excuse me, where is the bread?
The bread is in aisle 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, now let's go to the checkout.
Yes, the checkout is where you pay.
You put your items on the counter.
The cashier scans your items.
Scan means beep, beep.
Yes, beep sound.
The cashier may ask, "Do you need a bag?"
Repeat slowly.
Do you need a bag?
Do you need a bag?
You can answer,
Yes, please.
or,
No, thank you.
very polite.
Always be polite.
Next question, how would you like to pay?
This means, how will you pay?
Cash or card?
Repeat.
How would you like to pay?
How would you like to pay?
You can answer, I will pay by card.
Or, I will pay with cash.
Repeat slowly.
I will pay by card.
I will pay with cash.
Now, let's do a full conversation.
Yes, from start to finish. Excuse me, where are the eggs?
They are in aisle 2.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
At checkout, hello,
Hello.
do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be $10.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Very simple English.
Now, let's ask you some questions.
Yes, you listening, answer in your mind or say it out loud.
What do you buy at the supermarket?
Do you buy fruit?
Do you buy snacks?
What is your favorite food?
Say it in English.
Try now. We will wait.
Good job.
Very good.
Let's repeat some key phrases.
Yes. Listen and repeat.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
I will take this.
I will take this.
Do you need a bag?
Do you need a bag?
I will pay by card.
I will pay by card.
Excellent.
You are improving.
Little by little,
Step by step.
English becomes easy.
Yes, easy and fun.
Before we go,
We want to ask you something.
tell us in the comments
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
your favorite food.
We want to read your answers.
Thank you for learning English with us.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.